The interfaces to AutoCAD, Revit and Tekla have been updated for the new customer versions. To consider the surface roughness in the wind tunnel, the materials utilized in RFEM and RSTAB can be transferred to RWIND. It is now possible to create materials afterwards directly in RWIND Simulation. You can now create your own zones to subdivide models and evaluate them better. New selection options allow you to easily assign model areas to the individual zones. In addition to user-defined sections, zones are also displayed in sections. Show or hide them individually. You can, for example, display flow resistances or average pressure coefficients for individual areas. Adjust models now in RWIND Simulation subsequently. Cut away entire areas or insert openings.